Hi everyone, my name is Somil Shah. Welcome to my video. This is episode number 4, MatPlotlib Bootcamp with Python. So, without wasting much of time, let's get started and let me revise what I've done so far. So, my name is Somil Shah, and so far we have covered what is Matplotlib, how do we install Matplotlib. I covered the basics of NumPy array. So, I then we did our first plot. Then we learned about legends, what are legends, how we can use legends. And after that, we saw the plot function and what arguments a plot function can take. And then we discussed how do we add axis label and title and limit the x-axis and y-axis respectively. Now moving ahead with the presentation. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about styles. What are styles? How do we use them? So without wasting much of time, let's get into programming. And first of all, I need to import certain libraries. That is matplotlib.pyplot as usual as plt. Then we're going to do import numpy as np. Then I need to do styles from matplotlib. Import styles. That's it. That's beautiful. After that, what else we need to do? We need to define 2 points to, of course, plot, right? Sorry. np dot random. All right, random dot rand in from 0 to 20. Give me 10 points. Random 10 points, of course. Again, y equals to numpy dot random dot randint from 0 to 20. Again, give me 10 points. plt dot plot. Oops, plt dot plot and what x and y. Oopsie, plot x, plot y. Of course, don't forget the plt.show command, otherwise your graph won't be displayed as usual. Let me run the command and then I'm going to explain you what are styles, how do we use styles in Matplotlib. So let's wait for a second. My computer is a bit slow, but it should be fine, I think. So here you see a beautiful graph. Now let's talk about styles. So the way you do that is from Matplotlib import styles. And if you want to check what kind of styles are available in your library, so a simple way to run a command that would be, let's say val equals to plt dot, so it's plt dot styles dot available, all right, of course the round bracket, then for x in, well, simply gonna iterate over all the values because it's gonna return me a list, right? And for now, I'm just gonna comment these out. All right, so let me comment it out and run the code. Okay, val equals to plt.styles.available. Okay, I think I made a small syntax error here. Yep, lovely guys. So these are all the styles that are available in Matplotlib. Now, how do we use a style? And let me show you what are the different styles in Matplotlib. So I usually prefer to use a ggplot. So I can just say style.use inverted comma ggplot. That's it. Now see the difference. Now run the graph. Here you see it has a beautiful grids that is black color in background, has a white lines in that. So that's a beautiful grid that they have. So this is a simple way how do you use styles in Matplotlib. So the way you check how what kind of styles are available, simply run this command. So another popular type of style is seaborn. So I can do is style dot use and simply seaborn. Now let's run that and see the style in action. So I'm gonna run that. Alright, something went wrong I think. Oh, I uncommented the PLT function so it did not plot basically. So let me just uncomment out that, and here you see this is the Seaborn style. So here are the different type of style that I have discussed so far. So you can try by yourself. So go ahead and please try yourself. Let's move forward with the presentation. Now let's talk about other kind of plots. So similarly, we did plt.plot, right? There was a line plot. We have bar, line, stack, and so much. So the way you do that is, I'm not gonna show you everything. Just replace this with bar and run that real quick. That's a bar. Now I want to scatter. All right, there is a scatter plot. So here you see scatter plot, bunch of random numbers. So basically, these plots can also take in arguments like line width, color, line style, label, and marker. As we talked earlier, the every plot function has these attributes. All right. So yeah, that's all about plotting line, bar, stack, and other kind of plots. Let's move forward with the presentation. A better way to write a code, if you observe the code, okay, this is good. But what if a certain library is not there in a code? It will throw in a runtime error. Your code will stop. So in order to avoid that, we always use a try and except block. What is try? Try to import these libraries. If it is not there, if these libraries are not there, you would give me an error and I want you to tell me library not found. So I don't, please don't crash my software. Tell me, give me a print statement that library was not found. So in this case, the libraries are already imported because this all the three lines work perfectly. This is just a better way to write a code. Whenever you're writing code, make sure you write it in an efficient way. All right. So this is one of the way. Always using try and except block. Second way is usually what I would say is instead of writing all this here, I would prefer defining a function maybe, and just indent everything in the function, and I would say if name, if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals to underscore underscore name, call the function. Even this will work just fine. All right, I made a syntax error. What is that? Syntax error, invalid syntax. Okay, so what is the error now? Okay, let me just open my gas sensor. Oh, okay. So basically, it was an indentation error, I think. So hopefully, gonna run that. I think my problem was the name of the function because the main and main, the same name cannot be there. So let's try to run that. All right, again I get a syntax error, and all right, because I don't have a brace bracket right here. Huh. Always when you copy paste the code, it usually happens, all the time. So I usually avoid copy pasting the code. So here you see a beautiful graph has been generated. So try to use, whenever you write a code, make sure you write it in an efficient way. Use try and except block, use functions in that. So yeah, that's it for this video. I would like to stop this video right here. This is episode number 4. In the next video, we are going to learn about subplots, and we are going to give you some Python challenges. We are going to learn a better way to implement this, and of course, we are going to learn how to read data from a text file and plot a graph from that. So let me just stop here with this video. So we covered styles in this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, do give a like, subscribe to my videos, and I would see you in the next episode. That is episode number 5, where I will be talking about writing or basically plotting this graph in a more efficient way using the axis and figure. And of course, we are going to use subplots. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about subplots. And the coming after that video, the episode number 6 would be reading data from a CSV file or a text file and plotting it using MatPlotlib. So let me stop here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have question, concern, please let them post in the comment section below, and I will try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. As usual, thanks for all your love and support. Write me an email at shahsoumil519 @gmail.com. Thank you, and see you guys next time.